Hello everyone! Are you stuck trying to find new Python projects to make? Well, wait no longer. Here are 10 awesome project ideas which are going to help you improve your programming skills. Number 1. Tic-tac-toe. This is a super easy project which only requires about 50 lines of code. The program should ask a person which slot they want to choose, then output an image of the board and finally check if there is a winner. If no one won, then it should ask the next player to select a slot. If there is a winner, then it should print that a player won the game. If not, and if all the slots are occupied, then it should print that there is a draw. Number 2. Automatic decision maker. If you have ever had a hard time deciding what you want to do, this program is perfect for you. For this program, you will have to ask the user the different options to choose from and then output a randomly chosen alternative in the console. Number 3. Rock, paper, scissors. The objective of this project is to make a simple rock, paper, scissors game. The program should ask the player the number of rounds they want to play and then request the player to pick one of the 3 options. Following that, the program should give a random output and then compare it to the player's choice. If someone won that round, then the score should be updated, and if not, then the player should be prompted to replay. Number 4. Calculator. The calculator might be a very generic project to make, but it really helps you improving your programming skills. To make it, you will have to ask the user to input 2 numbers and an operator, and in the end you will have to print the result. Number 5. Hangman. For this program, the first user must write a secret word they want others to guess. After that, the program should ask the other users to write a letter. If the user gets the letter right, then the program should print the word with all of the letters that the users guessed correctly in the right place, but if not, then the users should lose a life. If the users guessed the whole word right, then a message should appear in the console saying that the word has been found. Number 6. Investment calculator. This project's goal is to show you how your investments would grow throughout the years. The program should ask the user to write the starting amount they want to invest, the number of years, the annual contributions, and finally the percentage by which your investments should grow every year. Once that is done, a very explicit diagram of your investments evolving throughout the years, the profit and the total amount invested should appear in the console. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.